Now today we're going to cover garage door maintenance. Garage door maintenance, you say? I know, sounds scary, but it's pretty simple. The key? The right lubrication at the right time in the right place. Now it's important to remember, make sure you lubricate your garage door about 2 to 4 times a year. Now when lubricating your garage door, make sure you get every garage door roller and the shaft as well as the head. Go up through your vertical track into your horizontal track, the surface of your drum, last but not least, your end bearing, right behind the drum. Now let's move on to the springs. Now when lubricating your garage door springs, make sure you saturate the entire length of the coil and have a paper towel handy to avoid any excess dripping on your garage door. Let's give it a try. Make sure to wipe. And let's go for the second spring. And last but not least, let's lubricate the center bearing right between the springs. Blot the excess, and we're done. You're one step closer to becoming an official garage door technician. Thanks for watching. God bless you and have an incredible day.